Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the solution journals. Today we will learn what we can do when the application of Playstore is not open. So maybe this is it's a glitch of the application when you got the cache memory full, and the only thing you need to do is delete that information from the settings of your phone. And the first step is go to settings, and here in settings you need to search the option of app management. And here in app management you need to go here where set all apps. You need to pick here in app list, and in app list you need to go here in the browser and you need to search Google Play here in Google Play service. And after that you need to go here in the option in the down right corner where set for stop. You need to pick here is this you uninstall the application and for a few minutes, and after that you need to pick here on storage and cache, and you need to pick here in the option of clear cache. After that you need to reset your application, and the only thing you need to do is open the application, and that's it. You complete the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.